Hi everybody, today we are installing 2019 F150. The car originally comes with the Microsoft Sync version 3, which comes with 8 inches original screen. It also comes with the backup camera too. This system is fully compatible with the original Microsoft Sync, and this one comes with the manual climate control too. So this system will keep the original climate control, so it will not remove any of the original feature. This one comes with the built-in GPS. It's built-in, which means it doesn't require any Wi-Fi or hotspot in order to get the GPS working. And also this one also comes with the Wi-Fi, which will allow you to connect to the Google Map, YouTube, and Waze. This one also supports the split screen. And this one also comes with the built-in CarPlay too. This one comes with 4 GB of the memory and 64 GB of the built-in storage memory. And this one also supports the backup camera too. You can also watch the movie while you're driving. It comes with the video in motion as well. It supports all the steering wheel control. And you can also install your own application from the Google App Store as well. You also will pre-install some of the software like the Netflix and Tubi, Waze, and Google Map. But all this kind of feature, they require the data on the cell phone. This is the newest version of the Google Map. The newest Google Map will also provide the offline feature. That means you can download the map data to the system, because the system comes with a 64 GB of the built-in memory. However, to use this feature, you need to log into your Google account, and then you can see the offline map here. You can download the map data to the unit, so in the future, whenever you want to use the Google Map, you don't need to connect to the Wi-Fi. However, the Waze, you probably need to connect to the Wi-Fi for that one. If you have any question about this system, please contact us, AutoTecPro. Thank you very much and have a nice day. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.